Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the IS Companion. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the realm of cognitive psychology, a branch of psychology that explores the intricacies of mental processes such as perception, memory, thinking, problem solving, language, and attention. Let's delve into the foundations, key concepts, influential figures, and contributions of the cognitive school of psychology. Foundations of cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology emerged as a reaction against the behaviorist school, which focused solely on observable behavior. The cognitive revolution, starting in the late 1950s, brought attention to the study of internal mental processes, challenging behaviorism's dominance. Information processing model. The information processing model serves as the foundation of cognitive psychology, likening the mind to a computer that processes information. This model involves the encoding, storage, and retrieval of information, akin to the processes of input, processing, and output in a computer. Influential figures in cognitive psychology. Jean Piaget. Piaget's theory of cognitive development outlined four stages of intellectual growth from infancy to adolescence: sensoromotor, preoperational, concrete operational, and formal operational stages. George Miller. Miller's research on short term memory capacity led to the concept of Miller's magic number, suggesting that the average human can hold about 7 items in short term memory. Noam Chomsky. Chomsky's work on language acquisition and his critique of behaviorist theories of language learning revolutionized our understanding of how humans acquire and use language. Ulrich Nieser. Nieser coined the term cognitive psychology and published the influential book Cognitive Psychology in 1967, which helped establish cognitive psychology as a distinct field. Contributions of cognitive psychology. Advances in understanding mental processes. Cognitive psychology has provided deep insights into the nature of mental processes, including perception, memory, thinking, language, and attention. Application in education. Cognitive principles have been applied in educational settings to enhance learning and instructional design, such as the use of mnemonic devices and cognitive strategies to improve memory and problem-solving skills. Clinical applications. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, rooted in cognitive psychology principles, is a widely used therapeutic approach for treating various mental health disorders, including depression, anxiety, and PTSD. Technological innovations. Cognitive psychology has influenced the design of user interfaces, artificial intelligence, and human computer interaction, leading to the development of more user friendly technology. Limitations of cognitive psychology. Overemphasis on internal processes. Cognitive psychology often focuses on internal mental processes, overlooking the role of external factors and social context in shaping cognition and behavior. Simplified models. Some cognitive models may oversimplify complex cognitive processes, leading to an incomplete understanding of human cognition. Individual differences. Cognitive psychology tends to generalize findings across individuals, overlooking individual differences in cognitive abilities, experiences, and cultural backgrounds. Limited application to real-world contexts. While cognitive principles have been applied in various domains, their real-world applicability may be limited in complex, dynamic environments. In conclusion, cognitive psychology has revolutionized our understanding of the mind, uncovering the intricate processes that underlie human cognition. From perception to problem solving, language to memory, cognitive psychology offers valuable insights into the workings of the human mind and its impact on behavior. As we continue to explore the frontiers of cognitive science, we must acknowledge and address the limitations inherent in our understanding of cognition. Thank you for joining on this exploration of cognitive psychology. Follow us on YouTube www.youtube.com/@iscompanion.